Hello and welcome to this guitar tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about reading guitar tablatures, also known as tabs for short. Tabs are a way to notate guitar music that is easy to read and understand, even for those who have never read traditional sheet music. With tabs, you can quickly and easily learn your favorite songs without having to spend a lot of time studying music theory. The first thing that you need to know about tabs is that they are read from left to right, just like regular sheet music. Each line on the tab represents a string on your guitar, with the top line representing the high E string and the bottom line representing the low E string. Each number on the tab corresponds to a fret on your guitar. For example, if you see a number 3 on the top line, you would play the 3rd fret on the high E string. If you see a 0 on the line, that means you just play the open string. The numbers on the lines are read in sequence, so you would play the notes in the order that they appear. For example, if you see the numbers 3, 5, 7 on a line, you would play the 3rd fret, then the 5th fret, and then the 7th fret. Now when you see numbers on different lines on top of each other, that means you play them at the same time, just like chords. In addition to numbers, tabs may also include other basic symbols for bends, bend and release, hammer on, pull off, slide up, slide down, vibrato, and tap right hand, pick downward strumming hand, pick upward strumming hand, and so forth. Always pay attention to the legend before you start playing to understand the meaning of those symbols. As you improve, you can find tabs with more complex notation and symbols. Now that you know the basics of reading tabs, try finding some of your favorite songs online and give them a try. With a little practice, you'll be reading tabs like a pro in no time. Happy practicing!